Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS CDK for deploying ETL and analytics stacks, full guide step by step clearly. To enable AWS CDK for deploying ETL and analytics stacks, first ensure you have an AWS account and the proper permissions. Install Node.js if you haven't already, as the AWS CDK requires it. Open your terminal or command prompt. Verify your Node.js installation by running node v and npm v. Install the AWS CDK globally by executing the command npm install AWS CDK. Create a new directory for your CDK project by running dir myetl project and navigate into it using cd myetl project. Initialize a new CDK project using the command cdk init app language equals TypeScript. Install the required AWS CDK libraries for building your ETL and analytics stack. Run npm install at AWS CDK /AWS Lambda at AWS CDK /AWS S3 at AWS CDK /AWS Glue at AWS CDK. Open your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the lib/myetl project stack.ts file. This is where you will define your stack resources. Start by importing necessary classes from the AWS CDK. Define a new Lambda function that can trigger your ETL jobs. Next, create an S3 bucket to store your raw and processed data. Add the necessary IAM roles for your Lambda function and any other services that require permissions. Define a glue job in your stack for data transformation operations. Set up an event bridge rule to trigger your Lambda function based on a specified schedule. Once your resources have been defined, use the CDK synth command to generate the CloudFormation template. Now, execute CDK deploy to deploy your stack to your AWS account. Monitor the console output for any errors during the deployment process. After successful deployment, navigate to the AWS Management Console to verify that your resources have been created. Test your ETL pipeline by uploading some sample data to the S3 bucket you created. Check if the Lambda function executes and the glue job runs as expected. If everything works fine, you have successfully enabled AWS CDK for deploying ETL and analytics stacks. Consider implementing logging and monitoring for better observability. Regularly update your CDK dependencies to stay current with new features and security patches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.